Join the coding community. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make coding even more fun together. Today we are going to learn about jQuery, which is a powerful and popular JavaScript library. jQuery simplifies the process of writing JavaScript code, making things like handling events, animations, and DOM manipulation much easier. This example demonstrates a simple web interaction using jQuery, where a button tracks how many times it has been clicked and updates the displayed count. jQuery library. Make sure jQuery is loaded before we run any jQuery code. Styling the button and text display to make it look better. Adds padding around the text in the button. Makes the text inside the button bigger. Green background. White text color. Removes the default border. Changes the cursor to indicate it is clickable. Adds space below the button. Slightly darker green when hovering. Similar styling to the first button. Red background. White text color. Changes cursor to pointer when hovered. Slightly darker red when hovering. Bigger font size for the display text. Makes the text bold. Button to trigger the click count increment. Button to reset the click count. Display the current count or reset message. This function runs when the DOM is fully loaded, ensuring that all HTML elements are available for interaction. Variable click count is used to track how many times the button is clicked. We initialize it to 0 because no clicks have been made yet. Event listener for clicks on the button with ID, my button. This triggers a function every time the button is clicked. This line increments the click count by 1 each time the button is clicked. We use plus plus to increase its value by 1. This line updates the content of the div with ID count display. We use the .text method to change the text inside the div. It shows the current value of click count. This if statement checks if the click count has reached 5. If it has, the button's background color will change and the count will reset. This line changes the background color of the My button to red. We use the .css method to modify CSS properties dynamically. After changing the button color, we reset the click count to 0. This ensures that the counting starts fresh after 5 clicks. This line updates the count display text to inform the user that the count has been reset. Event listener for clicks on the reset button, which resets the count. When the reset button is clicked, it runs the function inside. Resets the click count to 0, starting the count from scratch. This line resets the background color of the My button back to its original color. The empty string removes any inline styles applied, returning it to default. This updates the text in the count display, div, to inform the user the count is reset. Now run our code. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue making content that can truly help you on your coding journey. I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's keep growing and learning together.